chorizo and potato quesadillas. You can start with your chorizo in a super hot skillet. You don't even need to throw oil in the pan. Just throw the chorizo in there when the pan gets hot and brown and crumble it. Into the drippings in the pan, we're then going to add our potatoes. Peel them, of course, if they're big old russets. These little baby potatoes have such soft, tender skin. It's no biggie. You can just run your knife right through them. And we're gonna throw the potatoes down in the pan in both the drippings of our chorizo and a little bit of olive oil. Get these guys into the pan, and we're gonna season our potatoes with salt, pepper, and paprika. Give it a stir, and I let the potatoes sweat first and start to brown and crust on one side. Meanwhile, let's make the ranchero sauce. I start with Mexican crema. If you can't find this in your grocery store, use sour cream or Greek yogurt as the base. To that, we're going to take the juice of 1 lime. We're going to use 2 serrano or 2 jalapeno peppers, a couple of fat cloves of garlic, and a big fat handful of chives, and some cilantro tops or parsley tops, whichever you prefer, a few drips of cayenne pepper sauce, and some cotija cheese crumbles. Let her rip, and then season it up with a little salt and pepper. In our skillet, I added the garlic and the red onion. I got a cast iron skillet getting nice and hot over moderate heat. It's on medium-low, between medium-low and medium is where I have this. For the quesadilla cheese blend, I've chosen shredded pepper jack cheese, so Monterey Jack with jalapenos and Fresno peppers mixed into it, and mozzarella cheese and yellow super sharp cheddar. Little bit of cooking spray, just a dab. Blister the first side of the tortilla. See, now that's not gonna taste raw anymore. It has a little color to it. We put on our first layer of cheese, a little sprinkle of cheese. Then we put in a little of our potato, working over just half of the tortilla. Then we put on a little bit of our crumbles, a little more cheese. Lovely. And then you just fold this over with your spatula and keep turning it back and forth for about a minute or so until those cheeses melt and seal the deal around the potatoes and the chorizo. We cut that sucker into wedges. What? Right? Then a little bit of green onions. And my favorite, pickled jalapeno peppers. Drop the mic.